My mom's being admitted to a nursing home and they gave me a stack of papers. What should I do with all of these documents?
So I like to review that stack of papers for my clients. But if you don't have a lawyer to review them, you need to look at every single document. You need to read every single document. Sometimes the contracts have personal guarantees where they want the children to personal guarantee the payment, and you don't want to sign that. You don't have a legal obligation to sign that. Sometimes the contracts say, if we injure your parent, we are not liable, and by the way, you have to pay our attorney's fees. So you have to read that. That's called holding harmless. So you need to read that to make sure none of that is in the contract. Anything that you want to take out of the contract, I find the facilities or the nursing facilities are willing to take it out. There's the personal surety, reading the contract, and then the other thing that they slip in sometimes is something called an arbitration agreement. And under federal law, you do not have to sign an arbitration agreement. And it's interesting because the arbitration agreement says, we injure your parent and you have to agree to binding arbitration, but you have a better chance of being struck by lightning than winning at arbitration. And why do you want to give up your other legal rights? There's no reason for that, and they cannot force you to sign that. So that's just some things to be aware of when you're admitting someone to a nursing facility. Make sure you read it and make sure you just cross out anything, initial, have the facility initial.